Welcome to Lübeck. We're going to go on a walking tour around the city and check out the best tourist attractions of Lübeck's Old Town. We're here on Puppenbrücke with its many statues. Just across the bridge is the Tourist Information Office, where we got this free walking map. We'll be following this around the city to see the main tourist sites along the way. We've already come along this bridge. Here's the tourist office, and the route starts here and ends at St. Peter's Church. First stop is the iconic Holstentor. This is a brick-built medieval gate that now contains a museum. It is one of the original gates into the city and was built in the 15th century. It's a great example of North German brick Gothic architecture and features two large round towers with conical roofs. And it's wonderfully wonky too. In 1987, Lübeck's Old Town, including this gate, were designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and we'll see much more as we walk around. Just behind the gate, we cross the Holstenbrücke and turn right to look back on this row of Renaissance-style ex-salt warehouse buildings. These were built between 1579 and 1745 and feature more wonky architecture, which is great to see. Let's carry on our tour. But we took a bit of a detour along Hartengrube, a street first mentioned in 1287. Residents have worked hard to integrate nature into the city street, and it made the street look great. We're now approaching Lübeck Cathedral with its twin spires. Founded in 1173, the Lübeck Cathedral was built to serve as a place of worship and to symbolise the growing prosperity and influence of Lübeck as a trading city during the Middle Ages. It was heavily damaged in World War II, but it's now been carefully reconstructed in the original Gothic style and remains a significant landmark in Lübeck. In the grounds, you can find the Henry the Lion monument. This is a reconstruction of the statue that was destroyed in the last war and pays homage to the Duke of Bavaria and Saxony between 1129 and 1195. Also, the whitewashed Lutheran memorial beech tree can be found here too. We're now passing the Museumsquartier, a collection of interesting museums housed in a previous 15th century Gothic monastery. They have great toilets, by the way. And next door is the Jewish Synagogue. Since 1878, a synagogue has stood at this location, but a checkered past means that this current building was only completed in 2016. Today it represents the focal point of the Jewish faith in Lübeck. We're now at the Willy Brandt Museum. This is the childhood home of the eponymous German leader. Born in Lübeck in 1913, he rose to become Chancellor of West Germany in 1969. He played a vital role in the reconciliation of East and West Germany and is remembered fondly to this day. this museum perfectly reflects his legacy. Along the road is the Church of St Jacob's. Built in 1334 in red brick, it features another tall clock tower and an amazing roof turret. Inside it has a 16th century organ and some highly detailed wooden carvings. You'll also find the Pamair's lifeboat monument in the northern tower chapel too. At the rear of the church, you'll find this statue to the poet Emanuel, another Lübeck famous resident. And nearby as well, the Hospital of the Holy Spirit. Founded in the 13th century, it's one of the most significant and well-preserved medieval hospitals in Europe. Established to provide care and support for sick and impoverished residents, it followed a charitable and religious mission throughout its life. We're now at the most northerly point of our tour, at the Burgtor. It was constructed in the 15th century and is one of the main entrances to the city from the River Trave. Through the gate you can see some great views of the river. And also this lift bridge, built in 1913. And here too is the Hansemuseum, where you can spend many hours discovering the history of the region. We didn't have time though, and braved the rain to continue on. Past the Kranenkonvent, not a convent at all, but rather a guild hall for shipbuilders, built around 1385. You're never far from the water, and here we are at Holstenhafenbrücke, speeding round our map now because of the rain. Dominating Lübeck is St Mary's Church. Originally built between 1265 and 1352, it epitomises North German brick Gothic architecture. It too was almost completely destroyed in World War II, but today has been restored to its former glory. Round the corner is the Town Hall complex, which offers covered walkways and some spectacular architecture to admire. Such as the grand staircase, and inside the tile-trimmed ceilings and walls. Here too is the Market Square, a great place to check out some more amazing buildings. Including this quirky building called the CAC, used in the past as a place where comical punishments were administered to untrustworthy market traders. One famous shop here is the Niederegger Marzipan Shop and Museum. Here all manner of cleverly crafted marzipan delights are available to buy as souvenirs. The tour ends at St Peter's Church. First mentioned in 1170, it was also extensively damaged in World War II. The reconstruction only completed in 1987, and today, no longer a church, has become a centre for events and exhibitions. Plus, it has a lift to an observation platform offering stunning views across Lübeck. And this is where we'll end our tour of Lübeck. This is a great walking tour and one we'd recommend. Thanks for coming along with us, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps this channel. We're off for a well-earned beer now, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See ya!